Hi, I'm Ashley Scott, and I'm your valedictorian. It wasn't until 2018 that I got interested in graphic design. Something tragic happened. My grandmother passed, and my mom was sad, and I really wanted to cheer her up. So I quickly just created an obituary mock-up for her, for my grandmother, and she really liked it. And see my mom be so happy in a moment where she was sad and frustrated. She couldn't put her thoughts out with words. And me being able to express how she felt through a simple graphic. Design really does make people happy. It gives me a chance to tell people how I feel without speaking. It gives me a chance to take someone else's thought process and put it on paper in a visual way that they can see, and it brings happiness to them. That's when I looked up graphic design and F.I.R.S.T Institute popped up. I was like, okay, well, it's not the first graphic design school I've seen. What's new? But when I looked through what they offered, the courses, I saw photography, graphic design. Also, I saw code. I'm like, oh, all the things I kind of started looking into on my own. I didn't see no other school offer all three. I was like, okay, they're offering all three. Why not? Let's go take a visit. The visit turned into me being enrolled 3 days later. I saw how excited people were there to teach. I was excited to see people there learning, and it made me feel like I was home, like, oh, I belong here. I am 30 years old, and I'm a single mother of 3. I was told my age would stop me. I was told all those things would stop me. None of that stopped me from achieving something that I wanted for so long. There's never a wrong time to start. Time to change careers, change thought process about life, wanting to do something different. Know what you want to do and start the process of doing it. And then doing it knowing that, okay, I may be a little scared. This may be scary. I may bump my head along the way, get a few scrapes, but I can do this.